Okay, just a couple of tips. So one thing you mentioned before was about the size of the icons on the left here. So if you go to Edit and Preferences, and then go to Icon Theme, you'll see that you can select different icon styles. So in fact, you can change the color of those as well. So they're colored. Actually might make it a bit easier to see them as well. You can also change the icon size down here. So I've got them set to huge because I've got a 4K screen. It doesn't scale them very well. So yeah, that's just a tip on how to do that. On a select tool, if you click the mouse and hold it down, you can change the different options in there. You can also do the same on these other ones as well. And there's lots of different areas you can tweak and change. One that's got the most of them is holding down here. So you hold down the scale tool, you transform, rotate, shear, flip, all those ones as well. So I'm going to keep scaling there for now. So essentially, if you wanted to create a banner which is for a home page or something similar, then what you want to do is basically go to the selection tool and just select the area that you want to put in there. So for example, it's going to be 1200 wide, and you can just do crop to selection, and it's 1200 by 239. You know, it could be, if it doesn't need to be too precise, that's fine. If you want to be more specific, then you can also do it by changing the canvas size. So you can keep the width at 1200. You can change the height to, let's say 350 or 300 even. It'll give you a preview, so you can see where where the details are. So it's not great, it's not massive, but it'll give you something to be able to see, and then you can resize it to that. So and again, if you go to layer then and layer to image size, and then export that, you'll be able to go through and hopefully be able to input that in. So again, name it relative to the page header that you're putting it into, or if it's that special offer that you're talking about, then that sort of thing would be good as well. Just don't forget, anytime if you're not happy with how it's come out, you can always do Control-Z, which is undo, a couple of times just to change that. So I hope that helps. If not, just give me a shout back.